Damn girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine.
I feel so. Gotta feel with the look on your face, man. How you didn't know the shit was down in your basement? There's only a couple top spots that in the state. They get so wet, you better learn to swim. There's stains on your knees, mirror, mirror on your sleep. We've been doing laundry every night of the week, man. Pretty underwear and taking care of that too. Send me to the delegate, all I can do, man.
Damn girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine. Damn girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine.
Got them lines and the jobs, gotta keep them to the lid. Got the fella say please, 50 times every minute. She's a full load, cause I know you gotta have it. Girl, I give it boxing and it's something about the stuff from my speed is high, speed it rubber on board. I can press the phone to if you want some more, well, we can take it slow, girl, we can double load. Switch on your magic time and I can show you the world.
Damn girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine. Damn girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine.
Way out standing outside your door with an empty box of chocolates. Yeah, I've been drinking at my drunk, no, not yet. Get your way, but this is no lingerie. Get a pick of box, looking for the better way. Didn't make a reservation, now it's getting late. Downtown, they wish I had a candy heart. Ask you doing mine, then I try to kiss a girl. Let's spill the wine and go, man, girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine. I said, damn girl, take off your pants, girl, and I will toss them in the washing machine. Take off your pants, girl,
And I will toss them in the
washing machine. I got a problem in the washing machine. I got a problem in the washing machine. And toss them in the washing machine.
I just turned into like a Blink-182 song.
I dropped into a drum beat from something from Unprepared. I can't remember what it was.
I liked it.
Well, it's on recorded, so
Whatever song we had that had like the fast bass drum part that I was playing.
do you remember what the beat was you were playing?